Hello children, today we will continue with lesson 13 and we will be discussing about what is pollution and pollutants, different types of pollution, that is air, water, soil and noise pollution, and how we can save our environment by following 3 R's. So let's proceed. Children, as we all know that there are many human activities that are damaging our environment, like smoke from the factories and vehicles is making the air dirty, and this dirty air can make us fall sick. So, what is pollution? Pollution can be defined as any undesirable change in the environment brought about by human beings that can cause harm or discomfort to humans and other living organisms. And the substances that cause pollution are called pollutants. There are four main types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. So, let's study in detail. Air pollution. The various reasons for air pollution are: the smoke from factories and vehicles mixes with the air and makes it unfit for breathing. Burning of wood and waste materials also pollutes the air. And bursting of crackers also gives out lot of smoke and pollutes the air. So how can we keep the air clean? We can keep the air clean by following the following methods: planting more trees, switch off the engines at red light, walk or use a bicycle to cover short distances. Water pollution. Water pollution is caused by washing clothes or utensils in the water bodies. Dirty water from our homes and factories goes into drains which release water into water bodies and pollute them. Farmers use fertilizers which are carried away by rain and then mix with water bodies, thereby polluting the water. So how can we keep the water clean? We should not throw garbage into water bodies. Do not wash clothes in or near water bodies. Also, the dirty water from homes and factories must be treated first at water treatment plants and then allowed to go into water bodies. Soil pollution. When harmful waste mix with soil, they cause soil pollution. Soil pollution is caused by waste from homes, factories, and agricultural farms. The soil can be kept clean by following ways: do not throw garbage here and there, and do not use plastic bags. Noise pollution. Children, we know that loud and unpleasant sound is called noise, and noise from automobiles, aeroplanes, and factories causes discomfort to people and results in noise pollution. So, what are the various ways to prevent noise pollution? Play music system and television at low volume. Do not blow horn unless necessary. Now, let's see how we can save our environment. We can help in saving our environment by following the 3 R's, that is, reduce, reuse, and recycle. How can we reduce? We should buy only those things which we need. For example, we should use steel plates instead of disposable plates. Reuse means use things again and again before throwing away as waste. For example, empty jars can be used to store things. What is recycle? Waste can be recycled to make new things. For example, plastic items can be recycled to make buckets and tubs. Other rules that should be followed to keep the environment clean are: we should say no to plastic bags and throw waste into waste bins. Whenever you go for shopping, carry a cloth bag or jute bag. Revise the taught portion for today